Hey guys, today I've just had my breakfast right now and I'm just sat down drinking hot chocolate. Today, yeah, it's another vlog. I did say that in my other video. So, we're going to be doing a lot more because the pool is available, if you know what I mean. And I'm going to be jumping in, having fun, and yeah. There's going to be a lot of videos today, and they're not all just vlogs. One of them is going to be a reaction video, and yeah. So yeah, guys, let me pause it, and I will drink my drink. Alright, guys, I just drank my drink. I'm now gonna ask Mum if she can hold the camera for a minute, so I can do a welcome to another video jump-in celebration. By the way, I've got something that I wanted for my birthday, and this is the last thing that I want for my birthday, 100 subscribers. So if you can make 200 subscribers on my birthday, that would be great. Mum, I need you to hold the camera for a minute, because I'm going to do a welcome to another video jump-in celebration. But don't end it though, because I'm going to keep on filming. Is it still on? Yeah. Right. How far can I go? It is freezing. And I'm going to do a cannonball. This is going to be a great one. I'm going to do the elbow drop. And now, one more. And then one more. This one. I need to dry my hands. How are you? I'm fine. Just recording a home YouTube video.
When you go home?
And I'm the cameraman.
We're going in 3 days.
On 3 days. So you record this.
I recorded jumping in video.
Nice.
I did a video showing our hotel and having a little chat with Mummy.
So you miss the girls?
Yeah.
You shot with this one?
I do miss them, but I'm not that sad because I do have Snapchat and I can always speak to her.
You're still in love.
Anyways.
Okay, see you later.
See you later.
Bye.
By the way, guys, that was one of the staff. One of the greatest staff. Funny. They do entertainment shows though. And if you want to see a third or fourth video, because they're going to be... I might do a video while we walk. No, not yet. I might do a video in our walkout. And I might do a video in our disco show. Pass me that. Look at my shorts. I am absolutely... It's the coldest thing ever. Right. So, I'm gonna... Yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. If you wanna I'm gonna do a walking out video, which is at night, and I'm gonna do a disco show video at night as well. So if you want to go and see them, you'll be seeing them tonight. And yeah, and then it will go from there. So yeah, I'll see you next time.